Lohri celebrations are taking place across North India. Lohri is the celebration of the arrival of longer days after the winter solstice. Bonfire is a significant symbol of the festival in Punjab, and farmers camping at the Delhi border celebrated the day by burning copies of the farm laws framed by the centre. Tamil Nadu will see political fireworks tomorrow on Pongal. BJP chief JP Nadda will be in Tamil Nadu tomorrow, while former Congress chief Rahul Gandhi is also scheduled to visit the state. Rahul Gandhi will meet party leaders and also watch the controversial bull taming sport in the state. Amit Shah, who was expected to visit Tamil Nadu on Pongal, has cancelled his visit and will be visiting his home state, Gujarat. The Union Home Minister will visit 4 states, including poll-bound West Bengal and Assam, in the next fortnight. He will also address public rallies and take part in roadshows. While Amit Shah has cancelled his Tamil Nadu visit amid growing tensions between AIADMK and the BJP, Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy is all set to meet the Prime Minister to discuss the same. The meeting is scheduled for January 18th. Things have turned bitter between BJP and the AIADMK, which prompted BJP to take a step back and announce that AIADMK is the major partner in the alliance. In a big move, US electric car giant Tesla is making its entry in India. It has registered as a company in Bengaluru. The Karnataka government had welcomed Tesla into the state, and talks had been on for the last few months. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa tweeted welcoming CEO Elon Musk to the country. The carmaker has set up an R&D unit in Bengaluru. Vice President Mike Pence has written to House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi on Tuesday, stating that he is opposed to invoking the 25th Amendment to remove President Donald Trump from office. Pelosi had called on Pence to secure the majority of the cabinet and vote to declare Trump unfit to serve. But despite Pence's stand, a resolution urging the Vice President has been advanced in the House. Another public platform has removed all content from outgoing President Trump. Alphabet Inc.'s YouTube has taken down new content by Trump on his channel. The company said it violates its policies for inciting violence. In a statement, YouTube said that it has placed a 7-day ban on Trump to upload any new content. In a setback to England ahead of the series against Sri Lanka, the team's all-rounder Moeen Ali has been ruled out for at least the first 2 tests. Moeen Ali has tested positive for COVID-19, and the England and Sri Lankan authorities have decided on extending his isolation period. The England all-rounder has been away from January 3rd. Amid the flip-flop by the Tamil Nadu government on 100% occupancy in theatres, Thalapathy Vijay's movie Master has released. Huge crowds were seen outside the theatres as fans thronged to catch the first show of the entertainer. Visuals showed crowds jostling for space and celebrating outside theatres, sparking fears of coronavirus spread.